Hello students, hope you all are doing well. So today again I am here to show you some colorful and interesting experiment. And here you can see I have kept one red cabbage. So maybe you are thinking what I am going to do with the red cabbage. Today are we going to cook something? No, chemistry is just like a cooking, but we are not going to cook. So the thing is that you have to cut the red cabbage into small pieces. Then you have to boil it for 10-15 minutes, and then you will find out a purple color solution. Then you have to just decant that solution. Now this is a red cabbage extract. So using this red cabbage extract, I am going to show you some interesting experiment. So I think you know that there are some natural indicators are available which change the color in acid and base. So I am going to use the red cabbage today, which can be used as a natural universal indicator, and you can see that these are changing the color in strong acid, strong base and weak base. So I have taken some simple things like first I have taken water to check that what is the color we are getting in the neutral medium. Then I have taken citric acid. You can see citric acid is available commercially. So citric acid, and I have dissolved in water. And boric acid, this is boric acid. Boric acid is available in Amazon. You can order and you can get it. Sodium hydroxide is also available in Amazon. You can get it. If you are not able to buy boric acid and sodium hydroxide, take the simple one. One is the cooking soda, sodium bicarbonate, which we use for making pakora and other delicious foods. And we also can use the vinegar. So these are all available at home, and red cabbage is also cabbage is also available. So with that you can do this colorful experiment at home, and you can understand how the universal indicator changes the color in strong acid, weak acid, strong base and weak base. So let's start. So first I am going to take few drops of water here. Then I am going to add red cabbage juice. So just wait to see the color change, and at the same time I am going to add universal pH indicator. So universal pH indicator change the color to greenish yellow. That is the color for neutral medium. Now I am going to add few drops of acetic acid. So let me few drop, very careful. Yeah. Now I am going to add red cabbage juice here in the citric acid solution. Can you see the color is changing to pink? Can see the color is changing to pink. Yeah, nice color change. Now I'm going to add cooking soda, means sodium bicarbonate. Let's add few drops of cabbage juice here. Wow, can see color is changing to green. Now I am going to use boric acid. I'm just taking the solid boric acid and then I will add few drops of water, because I have to make the solution. Now I'm going to add red cabbage juice. Color is changing light pink. Yeah, light pink. It's not like the citric acid. Citric acid is immediately is a pink color, but boric acid, it's a very weak acid, so it will take some time to change the color, but you can see it's a light pinkish violet color. Now I am going to take just 1 bead of sodium hydroxide, and add few drops of water to make it a solution. Now I am going to add cabbage juice. See, it is deep green color. Now I am going to add universal pH indicator, and I can see that what is the color change are happening. So sodium hydroxide, it's yellow. Now, yeah, citric acid, red. Sodium hydroxide, it's blue. And now it is boric acid. So now you can see, using the red cabbage juice, we can find out whether which thing is acid, which one is base. It's a very simple experiment you can do at home. If the red cabbage juice is not available, you can use the black grapes, and you can make the juice in similar way. And also you can use the red hibiscus flower or the red rose petals. You can boil it, and then you can take the extract, and you can try to check the acidity and basicity of different compounds which is available at your home. Even you can check the what is the acidity or basicity of hand wash, shampoo, all other household items. Hope you like the experiment, and if you really like the experiment, try similar type of experiment at home and enjoy learning chemistry. Thank you.